So guys, I always say, like, there's a difference between, forex market macroeconomics, forex macroeconomics, and forex economic calendar. There's always a difference between those two. Okay, so guys, if you don't understand what does actually macroeconomics deals with, like, just be taught, like, look for someone to teach you how macroeconomics affects the forex market, and how all these things, like, have a role in the market. You understand? So you'll be able to know what you are getting yourself into, and you'll be able to understand why you need to trade forex, and why you're buying and why you're selling. Like, it's very important for you to know why are you buying and why are you selling. Because if you don't know why are you buying and why are you selling, my friend, you are actually gambling. Like, tell me, will this tell you why are you buying or why are you selling? This is just a number. What is the story behind this number? This, like, when you're trading, this is a story, guys. You are trading, this is a story. It happens over and over again. We have these things called seasonalities. We have risk on and risk off markets. We have, like, guys, you need to understand what you are doing. Don't just be these people who just say, okay, no, forex fundamentals, it's economic calendar, and then you just go on the economic calendar every now and then. They say, okay, let's say this data for retail sales of United Australian dollar. They say, okay, it's gonna come out at 3:30, and then it's 3:30 what in South African time, and then they say at 3:29, you need to place a trade that is maybe going to be a bullish or a bearish trade, and that trade is going to last you for 1 minute. So if you open a trade at 3:29, at 3:31 you need to close that trade. So it's going to be 1 minute, right? And let me make an example with this one. Basically, most of them today as I'm talking to you, like today, those who trade this like that, right, who traded the retail sales, they didn't get money today. Why? Because it didn't move right away as they expected it, right? It didn't move as the way they expected it to move. It didn't. It moved later, after, and it was late, right? Now, here's the thing, guys. They say at 7:59, place a buy or a sell, right? Let's say they say place a sell, okay? Sharp. Place a buy or a sell. Let's say they say place a sell, and then you place a sell at 7:59, and then they tell you at 8:01 you need to close your trade, right? They are actually like, it's, I don't know, should I call it scalping or what, but basically to me that is like scalping, right? Scalping the economic data. Now, they say to themselves it's fundamentals. Like, guys, you need to be able to, like, know what you're doing. Don't confuse economic calendar and scalping and forex fundamentals and say it's one thing. It's not. It's funny how most of them, they gamble in forex trading, and then they make huge amounts of money by gambling, by buying and selling wherever in the middle of the price. And then what they do is they flash with the money, the cars, and all those things that they have. And that's how people actually get to follow them, because they follow what they see. People want to see success. That's when they'll be able to follow you. You understand? So I don't blame people how they are, and I don't blame how actually how they also market themselves, you understand? Because I mean, if you are a person, you also want to see whatever that you're going to be doing, it should work, you understand? If it worked for somebody else, then it should work for you. So whoever is telling you about Forex, they need to show you that, oh no, it's working for me, you understand? Now guys, for example, anyways, I'm not there. They say to you at 8:01 you need to close your trade, right? Let's go to the chart and see if this happened actually. Now here we are, right? We are in pound yen, right? Pound yen. Today guys, we were risk off, so, and the market is closed already. So in my time, I'm still at 11 o'clock at night. So yeah, this is market watch. Now anyways guys, they say to you when it's 8:01 you need to close your trade, but you place your trade at 7:59, né? So let's say they say to you buy, right? Okay, here you are, my friend. 7:59. You buy. Here you are, buy, and then it goes like this. See, it stacks like that, and then it becomes a thing of like, the market volatility. That's what they say. The volatility today, it was not too much. Market today didn't move, and I didn't see anybody posting today. I didn't see anyone posting based on this data. No one posted based on this data. No one posted it, right? Why? Because nobody made money. They didn't make money. Now it comes to a point now saying, guys, you close your trade at 8:01. It's 8:01 now. You see, 8:01. This is the time there. 8:01. Okay, and then did you make money from there to here? You actually didn't make anything. You made zero, right? And then here comes us, as we know what we are doing, and then we say to you, okay, because we are risk off, simple as that, the market is gonna go down the whole day, right? It's gonna go down the whole day. Is this trade based on this thing on 15 minutes chart? No, this trade was based on 1 hour chart. So how many hours? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 hours, right? I left this trade for like 15 hours running, my friend. So how many pips are these? This is like, guys, this is basically 136 pips. So a lot of people, they just don't understand what they are doing. They quickly buy, they quickly sell, they quickly buy, they quickly sell. If your mentor cannot leave a trade for 3 months running and running in the right direction, then you need to ask yourself, what is he teaching you, or what is she teaching you, right? If right now your mentor cannot tell you what is happening with the dollar and what is going to happen with the dollar for the next 5 years, now I'm talking about something now, and what is going to happen with the dollar for the next 5 years or for the next 2 years, then my friend, you still don't know anything. You are gambling in forex trading, right? Now we don't want, guys, people to always fail. That's what I don't want. Personally, I don't like that. when people fail in forex trading, it hurts me so much, because I know that, hey, you can help people, but people don't want to be taught, because they want a shortcut. They just want all these things. They want all these things. That's why it is very important. Fundamentals, guys, they are the basis of the trend. Like, if you understand your fundamental trading, then you will understand the technical side. Where is the market going to move? Right? And I'm telling you now, the dollar is going to be weak for a very long time. Very, very long time. Right? So, if you are a wise person, you would be selling the dollar all the way. Selling the dollar all the way. But you can't just be selling the dollar anyhow. You sell it you need to know where to sell it at the right price. You need to understand, you need to know your technicals. You understand? So if your mentor cannot tell you all these things, a simple question, most of them, we ask them, what is a dynamic support? They can't answer you a simple thing, what is a dynamic support? They can't answer you. But they tell you that they are forex gurus, they are forex. My friend, please, you shut up. So a lot of people, they mislead people in forex trading, and it's not good. It's not good. Have your fundamentals as your basis of trend, because fundamentals, they start the trend. And look at this. I just want to show you guys something. We told people, when was the date? I just want us to look at the date, okay? It was on the 13th of August, right? The 13th of August. The date will appear here, right? It was on the 13th of August when we told people that, hey, be ready, get ready, yen pairs might get a yen pairs, or get ready, yen pairs might be strong. We're supposed to say strong here, from, right? Yes, might fall. There it is. Yen pairs might fall, right? So we prepared ourselves earlier. We told people earlier to say yen pairs are going to fall, right? And then what happened? On the what day is this? You see what happened? Dip, 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 dip. It fell. Dip, 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 dip. It fell. Dip, 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 dip. It fell. Huh? Do you see all this? Do you see all this, guys? Do you see all this thing? Right? We tell them early. To say, guys, this is what is going to happen. Right? This is what is going to happen. And when it happens, you are not even surprised. And also, even us, we are not surprised when we see such things happening, because we know already that yen pairs are going to fall, right? And it didn't just fall today. It has been falling. Understand? It has been doing all this. Look at this. Pound yen. It fell. Also, when? Today. Right? On the 13th. When we told them, on the 13th, 14th, 15th, beep, 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 it fell. Right? It went up on the 18th again. 19th again fell. 20, it was yesterday, went up, and then 21 again it fell. You understand? So it's not that we are guessing. We know what we are trading. We know why. We know why are we going to be buying and why are we selling. You see? So don't just be chasing market and chasing money and you don't know what you're doing. It's very important when you trade to know what you are doing. Fundamentals are the basis of technical movement in the market. Okay, guys? Cheers. Thank you very much.